Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to build a dashboard in Jira. So this is very simple. First go right here to More and click on Dashboards. Now you can view all of your dashboards right here. So this is my default dashboard, and in order to build one I will have to click on Create Dashboard right here. Now I will have to give my dashboard a name and a description. Now simply select if the viewers will be private the dashboard or if it will be user dashboard. So in my case I want to be it user dashboard, and here you can select the users or add them and simply change it to private if you don't want anyone to edit it, or if you want users to edit it, simply select users. Now click Save, and like so your dashboard is created. You can simply build it just dragging a gadget to this column. So click on Add a Gadget. So it could be anything out of these gadgets. So I will add activity stream and average age chart. You can really add virtually anything. So it is really simple. If you are done, then press done and your dashboard is built. It is really simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.